Can we discuss when to send a written message versus a voice recording versus a video message? Do you ever come out strong with a video message or voice recording on first outreach? LinkedIn makes these different message types easy.
Yeah. All right. So I'm just going to run through my cadence really quick. It's proof. I send about 150 to 300 DMs every single week. You connect with that person, they accept your request, right? I know they're a buyer, they're a prospect, and you really want to, you want to get that meeting with them. Don't. Just send the message. Thanks so much for connecting. Appreciate you. Period. Guess what's going to happen tomorrow morning? When you share a piece of content, they're going to see that, right? They'll be like, oh, this guy or this gal's real. Like they're sharing some really great content. 2 days later, get on video, walk outside in some sunshine, send them a really, really good message. Do your research. Look at their 10K, look at their sustainability report, know where they came from, know that they used to work at a previous competitor of yours. Make this the best message that they've ever seen. And the reason why I say walk outside, any of us that are watching this can sit in front of a computer screen and read notes about their 10K. The 1% can walk down the street and remember the 10K. So that's the part that like it's hugely different. But yeah, sometimes I lead with the video, sometimes I lead with the audio, sometimes I lead with the message. This is no different than email. It takes 6, 7, 8, 9 different touches in order to get somebody to respond. I just sold a 140K deal. I had messaged the lady 16 times over the last year and a half. Do you know how many she told me she saw the other day? Just the last one.
Wow.
She's too busy, but the last one hit her, right? And so I think it's just important to know that you just have to do the follow-up. You have to make sure that you're in their inbox often and you're being authentic.